as SDP is not working, so I'll just be solving it on the screen here, like with the PDF. Okay, so let's do that. Whenever you have a segment like this, right, drawing over it is the best thing that you can. I know you cannot do that in the exam as it is, but try to imagine the colors. Okay, so here they said the intersection. Intersection is when two segments are meeting. In my case, the colors where they're overlapping. So it will be AC. We colored AC. Then there's another one which is BD. So it's going to be BD, this one. Where are they overlapping? BC. That's going to be your answer, segment BC. Let's go to the next one. If you don't understand anything, okay, you can just ask me. Now this, question number 2. Here it's LT, so ray LT. Now LT, ray, you understand, keeps on going in one direction, like it continues. We don't know where it ends. So let's go to the other one. Then KM. KM is this segment. So where are they overlapping? You can see that here, LM. So what is that going to be? Segment LM. That's going to be your answer. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up because I know the time is really short and it's night already. So if I make a mistake, I apologize for it. You can always tell me to correct it. Now this one, KM. Now you see KM is going in this direction. Okay, KM is going in this direction. Now what are you going to do? Sorry, my bad. KM is a segment here. KM is a segment here, this one. Now LT. LT is all of that here. So where is it overlapping? LM. So LM, where is it? Sorry, it's union. My bad. So union, what will you do? All of this. Not all of it. All of this. Now what includes K and that ray, everything on the right side? What continues and also includes K? That will be the ray KM. It includes KM and it's also going upwards in the same direction as LT. So all of that will be included and that's union. Union is like addition. Okay, now this one. Let's look at the answer. So LH. Where is LH? LH is here. Where is PT? PT is here. Good job. There is no intersection between them. So it's going to be this answer. Let's continue with the next one. MN, it's not going to be 2 points. So forget that. Then the next one, TN. Let's look at TN. Where is TN? TN is here, segment TN. And then there is segment MP. Let's see, segment MP. So all of this. Now what is now they're saying MN. Yes, good job. That's where the colors are overlapping, the yellow and the pink. So we're going to color that as well. MN, this one. Next one. Next one, what are we going to do is KM. So KM is what? It's this segment. And the other one is JF. Where is JF? JF is all of this. They're saying the segment JK, but there is no, does not meet at JK. It only meets at this point, K. So it means this is incorrect. And then, of course, it's the last one. You can check that by yourself, practice it, so you can also understand how much is your understanding of this. Let's go to the next one. Here it will be AY. Let's check. AY, ray AY, right? So it's going to be, line AY. So it's everything. So, and then there is segment YB. Let's circle that YB, this one. So where is it overlapping? At YB. The black and the yellow, where are they meeting? At both of them. So it will be YB, not only Y. It's incorrect here. Let's go to the next one. So again, I just explained that. So it's the top, this answer. Next one, BZ. Okay. So let's check this one, sorry. Pink, where is it going to be? YZ. So YZ is a segment here. And then we have yellow, which is YZ and BZ. BZ is this one. Yes, it's overlapping on the BZ. So we're going to take this one. The next one is the same thing, but it's saying YZ. That's incorrect. And then the last one, let's check the last one. White is in the last one. AY and ZB. Nope, there's no intersection between them. Let's go to the next one. So next one it is, let's check. So AY, and union YB. Union YB, right? So it's going to be everything AY. They're only saying ray AY, right? Sorry, my bad. I'm making a mistake here. It's going to be line AY, so everything. Line AY, and then segment YB. So where does it where do they union? So it's going to be everything. We need to include everything. So AY, that is correct. Okay, it's this one. Next one, what is it? AY, segment AY. And then we have ZB. So ZB goes in this direction. ZB, right? So where's the intersection? ZA. Union, sorry. They're saying ZA, ray ZA. Yep, that is because it includes Z and it's also going in this direction. So that's going to be one of the answers. Let's go to the next one. Let's continue. YZ. YZ is what? It's this segment. And then there is BZ. BZ is B and then Z in this direction. What is that? YZ segment. Nope. That's not going to be union because they're only saying this segment. That's incorrect. Then, one second. AY. It's the line AY. It's all of it. AY. And then union YB. Union YB. So what is it? Is it YB? No, it's going to be everything. You need to include everything in union, not only YB. And then the last one, what is it? Let's just check if it's the last one or not, or if it's only the first two. So YZ, all of this, and pink BZ, B and Z in this direction. So they're saying YW, YW, all of that. Segment YZ, okay, and then BZ is all of that, and the direction YW. Okay, yeah, that is one of the answers as well. You can of course double check at the end of your STP, but I feel like these three are the answers, and I've checked them on the screen as for you. Let's go for this one. This one is PS. If there's any mistake that I'm doing, please do correct me because I'm just hurrying up. So PS is going to be all of this, and RS is going to be this. So what is the union? PQ. Yes, PQ is going to be the union, this one. There are only two answers in this one. So let's go to the next one. ST, sorry, the segment ST. And then we have PT. PT is going in this direction. So what is it? PT, yep. These two are the answers. Let's go to the next one. Yep, okay. Now, what is the ray opposite to MN? The ray opposite to MN, remember that the ray opposite is supposed to have the endpoint M included in that. So it will be M. Whatever it starts with ML. Yeah, you can do ML. ML is the answer. Okay. This one, again, you will be doing, there are two correct answers. So oh, sorry, that's really thick. So EH is all of this. Then you have GI. GI is all of this. So they're saying EI is the answer, the union, EI. So that's correct. Because remember, it's starting from E, it ends at H. And then start from G, it ends at I. So we have to include everything. That's going to be EH. Next one, let's do the next one. EG. EG, segment EG, and then CD. FC, no, there's nothing common between them. Ignore that. Next one, EH. And then there is GI. What is common between them? GH. Intersection, right? Let me use different colors so you can see better. So it's going to be, sorry, my bad, EH, and then you use another color, GI, this one. What is going to be GH? Yep, that is one of the second answer. So two answers. Let's go to the next one. Okay, which of the following is correct for 2? M is between, okay, so let's draw the line. It's always best to draw it and then solve it. M and AB. I've also told the students that I was group tutoring today that it's always best to solve the questions in number line first. It's very important to draw them. You need to know how to draw them. So MB is going to be in this direction. It's a ray. It's going to continue in the direction, and AM, this one. Where's the intersection M? Yep. Next one. Sorry, let me remove all of that. B here. What is it? The next one, AB. So this is our answer. AB is in this direction, the ray, and then MB is in this direction. So MB. So is it going to be MB? Sorry, 1 second. So, because if we do ray MB, then it's going to miss out on A, right? So it's not that one. Why am I making this mistake? It's going to start from MB. Sorry, I made this slight mistake here. It's going to be from MB, and then it's going to be AB. It's going to be in this direction. So where are they meeting? At MB. Yeah, okay. That's correct. Because where's the intersection happening? At MB. So I drew it incorrect. So that was causing the issue. So MB and then AB. So that's the correct answer. And then let's go to the other one. It's going to be AB. and then segment MB, and they're saying M point. No, it's MB itself, because look where they're overlapping, all of the segment. And AB is this direction, and then AM is also okay, that direction, so AB. And going direction AM is going in this direction, and it's MB. Nope, it's all of it. It's going to be intersection, will be all of it. Let me check that one again, 1 second. And let's check the other one, the last one. MB is this direction, and MB is MA is that direction, yep. Point M is the intersection, so it's going to be this one. Okay? Because both of them are starting from M, so you can clearly see that that's the intersection for both of them. This one, the opposite, how many points marked by dots intersection? That's the intersection. So AY is a line. So AY is going to continue all of this, right? Everything. And then there is ZY. ZY is Z and Y. It's all of that, right? So it's going to be all of this point. So that is 5 points. You can count them. Z, B, Y, A, X. That's the intersection. Okay, so it's going to be all of that. Next one. Again, the same thing, the same points. MN. How many points belong to the ray opposite? So MN is going in this direction. What about the ray opposite? M and the opposite direction. All of that. Okay, so it's going to be 4 points. M, L, K, J will all be included. Next one. What can be used another name for BW? Now look, BW is going in this direction. You're supposed to have the endpoint as B. So it's going to be BZ. Okay? Okay. Now this one, a lot of people, you need to learn how to draw this before you actually attempt the question. How do you draw this? Is that you can see here, there's no intersection between MNN and KNL. So KL is going to be this, except as if there are two people, they're not facing each other. So KL will go in this direction and MN will go in the other direction. And the endpoints, look, I'm starting from the endpoints because the endpoints is where the rays start. So KL and MN, sorry, I'm speaking too fast, making my throat hurt. So here, let's start drawing now. Let's start drawing the rays. So MN is in this direction. LN is in this direction, right? Sorry, I just don't want to use the same colors for this. Black. LN is also in this direction. So where are they meeting? They're meeting on MN, both of them, not only M. This is incorrect. So the first one is incorrect. Let's go to the next one. LM is what? L and M, this direction. And what is MK? MK is from here till here. Where are they meeting? KM? Is it KM? Is it K and M in this direction? Okay. This is one of the answers. And then let's choose the other one. Again, double check because I'm a bit in a hurry, like I'm hurrying up. So if there's any mistake, you can always check. You understand the concept, and that's important. So then the other one, KL, and KM. Segment KM. So this is, where's the meeting point? Yes, it is K, because look, they're only meeting at this point. Then there is KN, K and N in this direction, and M and N. M and N in this direction. Where do they meet? M and N. Good job, this is also one of the answers. And the last one, M and N. M and N in this direction, and M and K, this line. So they're saying M and N, and then KM. Okay, I don't think so, it's this one, because only 3 options, right? So it's not this one, it's this one, the last one, this one. Okay, double check again. Okay, this one, it's easy, you guys would know how to do this. It's just the first one is more than 2, so it's all of this direction. What is going in this direction? E and G. So EG will be for the first one. The next one, X is 2, so this is going to be E. The next one is X is less than 2, so that's going to be ED, because ED is going in the opposite, in the lesser direction, negative direction. And then this one is a segment that's stuck between 2 points. If you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comment section. I know I may have confused you a bit.